In this video, I'll demonstrate the use of AI Builder Business Card Scanner component. We'll take a look at how to use this using a Canvas app, Microsoft Flow, and finally using the Business Card Scanner PCF Custom Control. I ran my tests in a few different types of business cards and wanted to see how well the results were. The results overall were pretty good, but not perfect. It is still hard to expect perfect results as not all business cards are created equal. To put this in motion, I scanned a few business cards and saved them, and then created a small Canvas app with the AI Builder Business Card Reader component and attempted to perform recognition on the business cards that I provided. I had a set of business cards to test, and the results of the majority of them were pretty good. First, I wanted to see what information can be retrieved from the business cards. The list on the next slide shows the fields that can be retrieved from the Business Card Reader component. This includes first, last, and full name, job title and department, company, business phone, business fax, mobile phone, email address and website, as well as the address fields, full address, street, P.O. box, city, state, postal code, and country. Now, let's try to run this and see the results. The first scan is from a business card from Merrill Lynch. I'm going to go ahead and scan the business card. It seems like running this got all of the fields populated correctly. The only exception is the suite number of the address. Also, the title was made out of 2 lines, so it only took the second line. The next scan is my own business card. I had the same issue with the suite number that occurred here as well. As my business card is double-sided and the business name is the only thing that is displayed on the front, I didn't expect this to show. However, having the MVP logo on the card, the scanner picked up Microsoft as the name of the company. Finally, the last scan was from Optimum. Again, most of the information came out fine, with the exception of the business name logo. The scanner did not recognize that Optimum was the name of the company based on the logo. Now we might be doing scans of business cards one at a time, but possibly we want to do this many at once. We can do the same using Power Automate Flow. Similar to my previous videos on Form Builder, I will demonstrate this by uploading the card to SharePoint, reading the scan from there, and you will see that the results are similar to what I did within the Canvas application. The first step is to add a SharePoint trigger for when a file is created in a folder. I will specify the site address and the folder ID. Next, I'll add a AI Builder action for process business card or read the business card information. We will select the AI model, document type, and pass the file contents from the previous step. Finally, the last step will send an email using the content that was scanned or that was provided from the business card reader. Now, in order to test this, let's go ahead and scan a business card or upload a business card to my SharePoint site. I'll go ahead and click on Upload, Files, and select the business card. I'll go back into my flow and refresh until the run has been completed. Now that the run has been completed, I can go back and check my email, and I will notice that I got an email for the scanned business card. I also added the attachment to the scanned business card with all of the information. Finally, we will scan the same business card using the business card reader PCF Control that is available as part of Dynamics 365 Sales. When I quick create a contact record, I have the Scan Business Card PCF Control available for me. I can click on the button and select the business card, upload the business card, and we'll see that all the information is populated same as when I did it within my Canvas app. The main difference is the account name or the company name is a customer field. PCF controls cannot be bound to lookup fields, so in there lies the problem. Technically, we could bind this to a text field and add our own logic to validate if the business name exists on the creation, and create an account record and populate the lookup if there's no match, or if there is a match, populate the business record. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I expect more AI Builder videos to come in the near future. Thank you.